we go, everybody. Just a quick little walk around video. What I got today here in Minnesota at our rest area, just leaving. If any of you were wondering about my leg, that's what I got. I got the whole leg all wrapped up. Probably tell better from this angle. But got the leg all wrapped up. Had a baker's cyst in it. Cyst on the knee ruptured, so all the fluid went to the bottom, but I got it all taken out this weekend, feeling a lot better. So what I got is a Case 500 tractor weighing about 48,000 pounds, running about 10 foot wide and 14-4 tall. You got the 4 chains and the 8 binders, 2 in the front, going forward, 2 in here, going backwards, 2 here going forward, and then the 2 more in the back going backwards. So it doesn't articulate going down the road and stays all nice and dandy. Like I said, 48,000 pound load, and I got 40,000 pound binding force on it. So plenty enough. It's a big enough tractor, should take care of whatever you need taken care of. But it is a heavy son of a bitch. Another Wagner specialty trailer. And then when I come in here, I get parked next to these bad boys. I thought these were cool. International cab overs. Might not drive a cab over, but I still love them. Look at that wheelbase. If it ain't red, leave it in the shed. Awesome. Little Cummins motor in there. You got this one. This is cool too. I'm digging them fenders. I think what he did is he took half fenders and turned them upside down. That's cool though. I mean, look how low that sits. That's fucking badass. That's cool. Hoods are for sissies. Of course, they're both pulling steel hauling. That's cool. Last ride. Oh, he's running a cat. If y'all can see it. This one's running cat, the other one's running a Cummins. Badass. Hell yeah. Thinking my next truck's gonna be a cab over. Then people will really be calling me old school. They already do right now because I got too many lights and too much chrome. That's fucking cool though. This is what I got going on. I'm heading on over to Macomb, Illinois. I'll be there sometime tomorrow. And other than that, I'll talk to you guys later. Time to get back into the riddle box, play Mr. Riddler, and we'll hit you guys on the flip side. Peace!